Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Meah. I make videos for the girls who absolutely love Halloween, who loves all things scary. I make videos for the girls that go to these scary theme parks and swear they're not gonna be scared and basically faint, y'all. Basically faint. Like, I make videos for the girls who just don't take life too seriously. We have fun on my channel. We don't judge nobody on my channel because, baby, that's ugly girl energy and it's none of that over here. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you can join the gang. If you're already subscribed, I love you so much. Welcome back, girl. I love you. I appreciate you. You my dog. Let's jump right into this video. Today I am going to Universal and I go every year. Tomorrow's the 1st, so you guys will be seeing this video on the 1st. I officially start my vlogtober. Well, I don't know if I'm going to vlogtober. I don't know. Well, that's a story for a different day. But y'all know I go up every October, so today is like the official start date of my October turn up. So I'm really excited. I'm very excited. Y'all seen a clip of me getting dressed. Really, I wasn't trying to do like a whole tutorial thing. I'm about to do my makeup. I'm not trying to do a whole tutorial thing, but I am gonna throw some clips in here, and I just wanted to introduce myself and come say hi to y'all before I just kind of give y'all like a music rundown. I really wanted to tell you guys I love you, and I just wanted to tell you guys what was going on today. I'm going to Universal. Well, first, that's later on. First, I just got dressed, and me and Dre, we're gonna go get food. We gotta pick up kids, and what else? We gotta pick up the kids. We have to drive down to LA to get to Universal. We have a babysitter. Today is gonna be her first time babysitting for us, and I'm very nervous. Not nervous because I know her, like I know the girl, but I'm just nervous like I've never had a babysitter in my house like without me here. Like I always kind of take my kids to my mom's or my sister's. Like I've never had an actual like come over, watch my kids, I'll pay you type babysitter. Like I've never had nothing like that. So my anxiety is a little high. If I'm rambling, I always ramble, but I'm rambling a little bit more now because my anxiety is so freaking high. Makeup is gonna be very casual, very cute, very plain, but baby, I'm gonna still give it to him. I'm gonna still serve. I'm gonna still better pizza, better crust, better. Have y'all seen that TikTok sound? That TikTok sound is so crazy to me. Like, better pieces, better crust, my shoes better, my clothes better, my oh girl. But yeah, let's just jump into this video. This isn't a makeup video, so I'm just gonna do my makeup and I'll catch you guys when I'm done. Bye. Alright, so now we're in the car to go get my little chicken nuggets. I just decided to do like a very soft smoky eye. I have on like a black one piece, some jeans, and like my black and white Vans. Very cute, very casual, simple, period. But it's still giving, I'm ready to get scared type, scare the fuck out of me type vibe. Like, I gotta stay warm, like I'm ready. Think you ready? I got dressed too late, so we didn't have time to like go out to eat like we was supposed to. So we're gonna stop at Wendy's, and I'm gonna just probably grab me some food from there, or maybe like Chick-fil-A. Ooh, a Chick-fil-A salad, that would be fire. No, I'm gonna do Wendy's. I don't know. Y'all find out when y'all see me eating. But yeah, we're on our way. Chicken nugget number 1 was picked up.
Hi. Show your teeth.
Show them your teeth. You ain't got no teeth, girl.
And I was like a vampire, and I was like a vampire who was trying to eat like Alice's and Audrina blood.
Ew, nasty.
But it was just for fake.
Oh, okay. I got chicken nugget number 2. Right here is the hair, Mace.
Come to you.
Right there. Mace. Say hey.
Hi.
So I got Wendy's. Chicken nugget.
Chicken nugget. Those are spicy.
I got real chicken nuggets, not my little days. No, these isn't spicy. Daddy had the spicy ones. I got regular.
So we can have them?
No, these for me. But I'm about to make you guys popcorn so y'all can watch TV.
Yeah. How about with me?
What y'all gonna watch? Oh, today Hocus Pocus comes out. Did you guys want to watch that?
Hocus Pocus?
Yeah, it's a Halloween movie.
Oh, I like
It's
that.
about a witch that eats kids so they can stay young forever.
Mom, I know that lemonade. Have some, Mom.
Oh, shoot.
Front gate parking. Damn, I want to go that way. Oh, I'm so lost.
Oh my God, we so lost.
Already.
What are you excited to see?
You.
I want to literally shit myself. Like if I'm not like on the floor shaking in the corner,
Okay.
you didn't do your job. Like scare the fuck out of me. It's the mess out of me. Literally. Like
Say bejeebers.
the bejeebers. Scare the bejeebers out of me. I'm so scared already. What he say?
Hilarious. He told me I was the type of guy.
He got the ticket.
Yeah.
Ticket. Shut up.
It works for them.
Well, she was like, "Where your ticket at first?"
Anyway, that nigga said, I'm the type of nigga that'd be like, where my hug? Then he told me he'll beat my ass.
The donut man.
The donut man.
I feel like you lying.
And he said he here all night. We gonna go visit that nigga.
Drop his ass.
He fucking was talking.
Pretty view. We're waiting for the terror tram now. I'll try to get as much footage as possible. Okay. Anyway, moving on. So, I'll try to get as much footage as possible before it gets too dark because you're not allowed to use your flash in these parks. So, here's me. Give me some more. I got cold and put on my jacket, but We're here. We're literally in the beginning.
What did he say?
We're the first ones out. We're about to start moving, y'all.
Skirt round in your hands, host outside on 10, not like them. Make men lean out bends, that's how men get blem. You and your friends, this a mess from runway, this ain't Ralph Lauren. Tell them again, love go way back when. Drunk so I type shit them, but don't get sent. Send some bread to the pen, all my G's are blessed, we checking for them. Whole lot of charges laid to this day, no confessions for them. Man really feel no ways, these man ways, no progression for them. Think you're bad, just wait, forget hate, and that's just lessons for them. Sosa, Fabi, looking like Katie and Kyrie. My TD bag is on what? My TD bag is on Kylie. Try back in the lobby. All these niggas getting dodgy. When we see them, it's a party. Fabi, Sosa, viral, movie. I'm in this bitch with the wooski. Ball in the summer like Julie. Champagne got me loopy. Lizzie Bob looking groovy. All the demons looking moody. Hey, 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 move, move, get out the way, way long. Say the wrong thing, you get shot in your face. Yeah, Fabi, lace, put the op sneak place. Yeah, if you a gangster, then you gotta relate. She got a face, you get a mistake. Pay for the food, you want to date. Hey, game, great. She let me know her face. Hey, 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 every time she lean, she come with an A. Bow, viral. You ain't never make a movie with Drake. Bow, sponsor. I take a perk, now turn to a monster. I'm in the call like I'm sorry, your honor. I killed the op, I ain't catching no karma. Bow, yeah, I killed the op, I ain't catching no karma. Fabi, Sosa, viral, movie. I'm in this bitch with the wooski. Ball in the summer like Julie. Champagne got me loopy. Lizzie Bob looking groovy. All the demons looking moody.
Okay. A shot and a drink?
That's gonna be $30, okay, guys?
Yeah, man, thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Can I have an after hours nightmare, please?
Give me shots.
Huh?
Guys got shots.
Thank you. Is he whispering it for me?
Gotta be like king, you feel me?
Alright, line that ice.
Man, you watching like a hawk. I need you to chill.